Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Grok AI spicy mode not activating. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is make sure you're signed into your account or you've signed up for an account. Then from here we also need to be over the 18 years of age. So if you've accidentally put in the wrong birth date, we can go ahead and change that. So to do that, click into settings, then from here settings, click onto account, and then in birth year you want to go ahead and change that and make sure you put in the correct birth year. So if you bug it up and you put in a wrong birth year, go ahead and change it to the correct one. Like I said, you need to be over 18 to use spicy mode. So if I made a mistake and I was actually born on 2001, click continue. Now I'm going to click out of that and then go ahead and try to use Grok spicy mode again. And then from here, let's go ahead and open up a chat. So go ahead and type in deactivate spicy mode, hit enter. And then from here, we want to go ahead and activate it again. So type in activate spicy mode. And then that should re-enable spicy mode with your correct age.